Welcome to Monday, everybody. It has certainly been a Monday. Yep, it's Monday, all right. I'm getting supper started. Tonight we're making mushroom and beef skillet. I'm gonna go ahead and cook my egg noodles up over here. You don't have to. You can do it where you do it all at one time. I'm just trying to get it done a little faster. Like you can cook them all together, in the skillet. But yeah, I just want to get it done a little quicker. So we're gonna go ahead and cook up the egg noodles. Start our ground beef right here. Over the weekend and even a little bit before the weekend, y'all know I was all like spring cleaning. Today I was like sleeping. I really wanted to take a nap this afternoon after school, but I ended up cleaning out the refrigerator because it desperately needed it. I almost put it off until tomorrow, but I said to myself, why put off until tomorrow the things you can do today? Because last week I put it off until tomorrow like almost every day last week. So I didn't let it happen today. We got it cleaned out. Now the stuff that's in the other refrigerator in there, I can bring it in here, clear that one up a little bit, because it at the moment is a little too full. When I got groceries yesterday, I just put everything in that one because this one I knew I was gonna, well, you know, my hopes were to clean it out today. We've got about 2 pounds of ground beef there. Whew, it had been a while since I really scrubbed that refrigerator, y'all. I've straightened it up several times over the past few months, but it definitely needed more than a straightening up. You feel so happy when it's done. Usually though, it only takes me about 30 minutes or so. It took an hour this time. I washed all the drawers out and everything. I already have some green bell pepper right here that I chopped up to go with something that we made last week. So we're gonna put that in here with the ground beef. And I have half of a red onion that I had in the refrigerator. We're gonna chop it up too. Put it in here. I also need to straighten up my cabinet over here because we kind of did the same thing over there yesterday. We just put stuff in there real quick, mostly all of it on the bottom. So I need to organize it too. We'll probably save that for tomorrow though. I don't know if I can get that done today. Manly wants to go outside to play. I'm gonna try to get this supper done, take him out for a little bit before it gets dark. It's not getting dark here till close to 7 now. I think it's around 6:30 or a little after. I'm just chopping up this onion. It's been another really pretty day. I think a couple of days this week we're supposed to get to around 70, y'all. That's gonna be nice, as long as it doesn't rain. I think I did see that there's supposed to be several days of rain though. That's not nice. I thought about chopping these a little smaller, but I think they'll be fine. We're just gonna dump them in. So yeah, it's just been a crazy day. I've been behind all day because I overslept this morning. And I know for a fact that I set my alarm clock last night. I have one that runs by battery, and then I also set alarms on the phone. And I know that I set that one that runs by battery, and I have it across the room from me, so I have to get up and turn it off. I also have the sunrise alarm. Where is that? When we rearranged in my room, I haven't seen it since then. I've got to find it because that one really helps me to wake up. It's one of those that it slowly starts, the light starts coming on, so you gradually start waking up with it before the alarm even goes off. I always have them set for like 4:45 all the way up until 5:15. This morning I didn't wake up until 6 o'clock. Another thing is, most of the time Roosty starts waking me up around 5. So even if my alarm doesn't work, he comes to the rescue. But some mornings, I guess he's just sleepy or something, and he doesn't crow until the sun actually comes up. But most of the time he's doing it like an hour or so before sunlight. This morning though, he did not. Sometimes, like on the weekends, if I want to sleep a little bit later, I don't turn any lights on. If I get up to come in here to get something to drink or anything, I will do it in the dark, because if you turn a light on, Roosty's gonna start crowing most of the time. Get these mushrooms ready. These I am gonna chop up a little more. We're just gonna have some toasted sourdough bread. And I think probably instead of mixing the egg noodles in here with it, I'm just gonna serve this on top of the egg noodles because I'm doubling this recipe and my skillet is not gonna be big enough, I don't think, to put the egg noodles and everything in. I still have a whole pack of that beef from the French dip buntwiches that we made, because I was gonna make 2 of them, but then when I got home, Tyler said that he was probably gonna go fishing, and Jacob wasn't gonna be here for supper last night, so I just ended up making 1. That was really good, y'all. If y'all missed that video, I'll link it down below. It was fast. All right, I'm gonna drain this, and I need to run to the other refrigerator to get my beef broth. I had planned on making those French toast cubes this morning, But yeah, I overslept, so I ended up making some more of those really quick breakfast burritos, just where you cook the sausage and eggs together in the pan. That's what we had this morning. Oh, and we tried that new salsa. Let me show it to y'all real quick. This one that we got from Ingles yesterday. Jonah and Sissy are coming in, washing their hands. But yeah, it's really good. This one is a little spicy, which it is the medium. I didn't put it on everybody's. I put it on, it's that salsa I put on the burritos this morning. I put it on Titus's and Jonah's, because Jonah likes spicy stuff. But yeah, that salsa is really good. All right, so I got this drained. We're gonna put a little bit of flour in here. Stir it all around to coat the beef. Now I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. And a little bit of garlic powder. And then we're going to pour in the beef broth. This is about a half a carton. I'm probably going to end up using most of this. I'll start with just about a cup or so at first, and we'll see what we're looking like. Just want to make like a, almost like a gravy with this beef in it that we're going to pour over the egg noodles. Like I said, you can do it a different way, where you add a lot of the beef broth and then add your egg noodles in and then cover it and let it keep cooking with the egg noodles until they're done, about 7 to 8 minutes. But ours are already done, so we'll just get our gravy here with this beef and mushroom mixture. And I'll toast the sourdough bread and we're gonna be ready to eat. Yeah, we'll go ahead and put the rest of this carton in. We might even need a little more. Oh, I'm gonna get out the whipped butter too, because that's what we'll spread on our bread. The refrigerator has that wonderful surprise feeling right now because I just cleaned it, and you know, you'll forget that, oh, I just cleaned that. When you open the door, it's like, oh, wonderful. Alright y'all, supper was great. I haven't finished cleaning up yet, but the sun's going down on us, so we're gonna come out for a little while, and then I'll finish cleaning up. You ready, Manny?
Yes. I see Ernestine.
Where?
See that green thing?
No. Ernest T, we haven't seen him in a few weeks.
Yeah.
He's good at hiding though. I'm sure he's in here somewhere. Ernest T's the bass that lives in the pond.
Yeah, right here. That's where he likes to hide. Just me and my dad, just me and my little brother, just go to bed. That was my favorite one when I was little, just go to bed. All by myself, me too, just grandpa and me, just grandma and me, just me and my puppy, or just a mess. Which one you want? Just a mess.
Just a mess? Okay. All the way to the back. Today, I couldn't find my baseball mitt. I looked in my treehouse. I looked under the back steps. I asked Mom if she had seen it. She said I should try my room. I never thought to look there. What a mess. Mom said it was time to clean my room, so I asked her to help. She said, you made the mess, so you can clean up the mess. I put my clothes in the drawers. I straightened up my games. I shut the lid to my toy box and put away my books. Then I made the bed. Won't Mom be pleased?
Is Mom gonna be pleased?
No.
Nope, why not?
Yes. Yep.
Yeah, he just he just hid the mess, huh? I looked on the other side of my
there's his
bed,
watch.
and guess what I found?
His baseball mitt.
His baseball mitt. The end. What? He
No,
never
no.
really cleaned his room? This is not a happy ending. We must clean this room, little Chris.